Understanding the phrase, an item. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase in the English language, an item. This seemingly simple term can mean more than you might think at first glance. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of its various meanings and when to use them. At its most basic level, an item refers to a single object or thing, especially one thing that is a part of a list or a group. For example, please add an item to the shopping list. There's an item of clothing left in the changing room. In these examples, an item refers to something tangible and countable. Interestingly, an item has another common use in everyday speech. When referring to two people, saying they are an item means they are in a romantic relationship or dating. For example, did you hear? Jake and Maria are an item now. I had no idea they were an item. This is a more informal use of the phrase, and it's a way of saying two people are romantically involved without specifying the exact nature of their relationship. In the realm of news and media, an item often refers to a particular piece of news or a story. For example, the newspaper covered an interesting item about the local election. Did you catch that item on the news about the upcoming meteor shower? In these contexts, an item is synonymous with a topic or piece of information. There you have it. An item can refer to a single thing, a romantic pairing, or a news story. It's amazing how versatile the English language can be. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase for you. Keep tuning in for more insights into the wonderful world of English. Happy learning!